Welcome to our tutorial on implementing breadcrumbs for better user experience. What are breadcrumbs? Breadcrumbs are a navigation aid that helps users understand their current location within a website or application. They are a series of links that show the hierarchical structure of the website, starting from the homepage and leading to the current page. Breadcrumbs are typically displayed horizontally at the top of the page, with each link separated by a symbol or arrow. They provide users with a clear path to navigate back to previous pages or higher-level categories, making it easier for them to explore and find their way around the website or application. Why are breadcrumbs important for user experience? Breadcrumbs are important for user experience as they visually represent the navigation path, helping users understand their current location and the path they took to get there. This enhances navigation and reduces confusion, improving the overall user experience. How do breadcrumbs work? Breadcrumbs are clickable links located near the top of a web page or app screen. They display a series of links that represent higher-level pages or categories within the site's hierarchy. By clicking on these links, users can easily navigate back to previous pages. Breadcrumbs provide a convenient way for users to retrace their steps and find their way around a website or app. What are the different types of breadcrumbs? The three main types of breadcrumbs are location-based, attribute-based, and path-based. Location-based breadcrumbs indicate the user's current position within the site's hierarchy. Attribute-based breadcrumbs display the attributes or filters applied to the current page. Path-based breadcrumbs show the user's navigation path, regardless of the site's hierarchy. How can breadcrumbs improve user experience? Breadcrumbs can improve user experience by enhancing navigation, providing contextual understanding, reducing cognitive load, and improving findability. Users can quickly navigate back to previous pages or higher-level categories, which enhances their ability to explore different paths without relying solely on the back button. Breadcrumbs also provide users with a clear understanding of their current location within the site, reducing confusion and improving contextual understanding. Additionally, breadcrumbs make it easier for users to find related content or explore different sections of a website or application, improving overall findability. What are some best practices for implementing breadcrumbs? Best practices for implementing breadcrumbs include using a clear and concise trail that accurately represents the site's hierarchy. Make the breadcrumbs clickable and ensure they lead to the corresponding pages. Use a consistent design and placement for breadcrumbs across the site. Consider using visual indicators like arrows or separators to improve readability. Test the breadcrumbs on different devices and screen sizes to ensure they are responsive and user-friendly. Avoid using breadcrumbs for complex navigation structures or websites with shallow hierarchies. Are there any potential drawbacks of using breadcrumbs? Breadcrumbs, although generally beneficial for user experience, do have some potential drawbacks. Firstly, they can clutter the interface, especially on mobile devices with limited screen space. Secondly, if breadcrumbs are not distinct from other navigation elements, they can cause confusion for users. Additionally, if the breadcrumb trail does not accurately represent the site's hierarchy, it can lead to user confusion. Lastly, over-reliance on breadcrumbs can cause users to neglect other navigation options. It is important to consider these drawbacks when implementing breadcrumbs to ensure a positive user experience. How can I implement breadcrumbs on my website? To implement breadcrumbs on your website, you can use HTML and CSS to create the breadcrumb trail. You can structure the breadcrumbs using ordered or unordered lists and style them with CSS to achieve the desired look. To handle the navigation functionality, you can use JavaScript. By adding event listeners to the breadcrumb links, you can control the navigation behavior when a user clicks on a breadcrumb item. Additionally, there are libraries and frameworks available that offer pre-built breadcrumb components, making the implementation process easier. These resources provide customizable options and save you time in coding the breadcrumbs from scratch. We have now come to the end of the Implementing Breadcrumbs for Better User Experience tutorial. Thank you for your time.